It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am reviewing this product called Luck. Okay, Luck number one. It's created by a guy who's been doing this online marketing game for over 8+ years now, and he is giving you 30 done for you funnels to promote and 10 top converting clickbank offers to scale this online business to success. So he'll make sure that you are getting profit from these emails, and that's how you're going to do it, by converting your emails and putting a link in those emails from clickbank. Okay, so if you're interested in learning more about Luck and what it has to offer, make sure you stay into the end, because baby, my bonuses is the best part. You know how they say the best part for last? Yes, baby. My bonuses is here to help you. I have collaborated with Journal Armstrong, and ain't nobody else got these bonuses but me. So if you're looking for some real helpful and just out of the box bonuses, make sure you stay to the end so you will not miss a thing. Let's get into this review. Now we are on the sales page of Luck. So Luck number one. So I'm just gonna go over a brief description of what it has to offer and what it's all about. So right here, pay your bills, have fun, and live stress-free. Okay, baby, I love that title. It's easy. He said, hell, I've done all the work, 90% of the work for you. So, yeah, why not, baby? Why not? He done all the work. Why not? You only gotta do 10%. Put in that little elbow grease with that mouse in your finger. Just click away. Just a few clicks away, baby. All right? So, right here, with Luck, you can create unlimited articles with one click, load countless follow-up emails, drive insane amounts of traffic, build trust and authority, monetize your content intelligently, boost conversions to the astronaut, earn multiple income streams, earn high ticket. Okay, baby, that's my favorite part. High ticket, 2,000, 1,000. Yes, per commission. That's what I'm talking about. Pull traffic 24/7, even as you sleep. Do it all of this ethically. Do all of this quick and easily. Have a ton of fun in the process. Okay. When Lee Murray gives you a fish, he feeds you for a lifetime. Grab content kit number one today. All right, this is what it has to offer. That's dope. Jesus, that is dope. All right, bruh. Mad videos, mad information, and insight. I've already been scrolling down. I'm already at the bottom. Okay, so this is the insight. This is the members area of Luck number one. Welcome to Luck number one. Let's get started. All right, module number one. This is a must watch. This is him saying welcome, what's up, and telling you more about him and what he's been up to for these past 8 years when it comes down to him doing this online marketing for his income, his life income. He quit his job, everything, bruh. So yes. So right here, this is access your goodies. Okay, so right here, these are templates. These are email templates, and then you have many articles. And all you gotta do is download it, okay? So you see this, you just gotta download it. I would, but I'm not gonna download it. I'm not gonna download it. I have to get rid of some of the stuff that I already got. But yes, then we have this is step number one. Choose the following. So set up your leads capture system. And then this is option number one, freaky funnels. So this is a step-by-step video training you how to do this. And then you have video number B, set up your leads capture, option number 2. And then you have the video C, set up your leads capture, option number 3. So you got different options on how to set up your leads, okay? 3 different, these are done for you, all right? All right, and this is join legendary marketer here. And if you need autoresponder, this is get response. So he is pointing you to get response, all right? And then you have step number 2. This is choose your rotators and add a link. So those links, he already gave you links. So yeah, that's dope. So right here, you just got to get connected to ClickMagick. Watch this video first. Okay, these videos are not here for no reason. Watch these videos. And then we have Grab Free Rotator here. So that's how you get your rotator. Hop on there. First come, first like serve faster. Like if you move fast on this, and this will be like the best part, because you don't want to go on a super saturated rotator, right? Just a heads up, a little warning for you. And then we have video number 2, find great products to promote. So instant commission 100, instant commission 300, and then grab monster mode here. All right, so he is giving you like straight links to these products that will guarantee this much commission and more. But you make sure that you watch these videos, bro. These videos are not here for no reason. As I repeat myself once again, step number 3, load your emails. Y'all remember those emails? So I said you just gotta download in the beginning that first video. Yes, so this is how you're gonna use those templates right there that you downloaded on your computer, and you're going to set it up and get response here, okay? Right, so. And then you have another video without freaking funnels. So this is without even using funnels to get your email list on and popping or whatever. So start posting luck style, set up your WordPress site. So this is dope. So I don't know if you know, but bro, you can use this how to set up your WordPress site. You can use this tutorial that he gave you right here, and you can scale this on freelancer websites like Upwork and Fiverr, bro. Like y'all gotta like use your heads. I'm gonna put you on them, drop some gems for you, baby, if you on my page. Shoot. So then you got a recommended site that he uses, and then you got the hosting. This is his hosting, so he used Full Hustle hosting. All right. And then you have render and post your mini articles. Remember, he's giving you free templates and stuff. So use these free tools. So he's putting you on some more stuff that you can use, which is free. So you don't got to invest a lot of money when it comes down to you making money online. Yeah, so it's completely different from a lot of different strategies on how to make money online. Some people advise you to like buy a whole bunch of stock products, and then like you like what? No. And then you got video 4C. Watch my video profit engine review, optional. This is optional, so if you want to, you can, and if you don't, you don't have to, because it's optional. But all the other, if it doesn't say optional, make sure that you watch it. So step 5, profits from dry paid ads. If you have a little money, or after you have used all of this steps that he gave you, and you profit, then you could check out this paid ads. But if you don't paid traffic, you don't gotta worry about this. If you don't got no extra money, you don't gotta worry about this. No. Because with the system, he is going to show you how to get money. So once you get money, you can invest back into your business. That's how you're going to do it. That's how you pay yourself. That's how you keep an evergreen commission, baby. All right. Then you got step number 6, set up your work schedule. This is very vital because, bro, if you're not, okay, you can set it up, but if you don't follow through, what's the point? That's like your manager schedule on your schedule. You know you got to get paid. You know you got to go to work. So why not you work for yourself? So he's going to show you how to set up your own schedule, be your own boss, and work in your own time. Step number 7, collect all 50. And this is, see all luck additions here. So this is all the different additions that he had when it comes down to him making this easier for you to make money online. All these different informations. Then you got put it together. Then you have join me at freaking funnels. Then you have module 4, claim your free bonuses here. And the free bonuses is all about how I make $500 each from each super simple YouTube video, tongue twisted or whatever. So that is all inside of this super duper luck number 1 module. This is the members area, don't forget. So if you're interested in luck number 1, make sure you hit my comments or my description, which I will have a link to my bonus page. All you gotta do is press any buttons on my bonus page and get your copy of luck number 1, baby. So yes, this is my bonus page. All you gotta do is hit any of these yellow buttons and get it. Don't forget, this is a limited time offer, so we only have 3 days left. So what they say, early bird gets the worm. Yes, you have to be on time, especially for that rotator. Don't forget I told you about that. But guys, the front end price for luck number 1 is only at a $12. Well, $13 because it's like $12.95. So yeah, that's like a whole dollar. But yes, OTO number 1, 47. Then you got number 2 at 47. And then you got number 3 at 67. Then you got 4 at 97. Then you got 5 at 97 again. So, guys, if you want to read a little bit more about these OTOs, upsells, and downsells, what they have to offer, you totally can. I'm about to get right into my bonuses because, baby, this is the best part. Bonus number 1, this is 60 different softwares and underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by Jonah Armstrong, Brenda Mace, and more of the top vendors in the game. We have tutorials, we have trainings, we have softwares, we got templates, we got books that you can use and scale to make a bigger profit when it comes down to you making a business online. Then we have bonus number 2 from your boy Jonah Armstrong. Learn how to get better conversions. And then we have bonus number 3 from your boy Jonah Armstrong. Again, learn how to drive traffic to your products. Even though that they already have a how to drive traffic to your links and with their emails, you are going to get a little bit more depth video on traffic. And then we have bonus number 4. This is the lost code. Get the lost code to generate high ticket sales with this underground technique and strategies. All right, this is a step-by-step tutorial. And it's for you only if you want it though. If you want it, you can have it. All right, all you gotta do is come to my in my comments or in my description and hit up my bonus page and click any of these yellow buttons to get this. And then, baby, remember they said how you remember his bonuses, all the vendor bonuses about that how he made $500 each YouTube video. Yes, get the vendor bonuses from your girl. So like I said, this is a limited time offer. And if you want to connect with me in any of my social medias, just scroll all the way down to my bonus page and hit any of these links right here. Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, baby. I will be on all 3. So, if you're interested in picking up Luck and what it has to offer, if you was feeling this tutorial and this information, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Don't forget, they have 30 done for you emails to promote 10 of the top converting ClickBank offers, and this is only for $12.95. Majority of the stuff is done for you. So I told you he was 8+ years, and he's actually 13 years online marketing ex-veteran, guys, who is making a living online. So somebody put him on and he's here to put you on, and I'm here to put you on. All right, this your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because me and you, baby, yes, we are on the road to success. See you in my next review video.